Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're tackling a really significant potential shift for WhatsApp.
An app so many of us use pretty much daily, right?
Exactly. We've been looking at excerpts from an article titled WhatsApp Kulenica Adavrimi.
Which translates to the WhatsApp username revolution. Sounds dramatic.
It does. And our mission here is to unpack what this actually means for you, for your privacy online.
And specifically, this idea that sharing your phone number might, well, it might become optional on WhatsApp.
Which is kind of the core revolutionary step here, isn't it?
Absolutely. The article really digs into why this is needed. For ages, WhatsApp was your phone number.
Right, that was the entry ticket. You needed someone's number to chat, to add them.
And your number got shared whenever you joined a group, for instance.
Yeah, and let's be honest, that caused issues, didn't it?
Oh, definitely. The source mentions all those user concerns, unwanted calls, spam.
Just that general, maybe unease about giving out your personal number so freely.
Exactly. Whether
Okay.
it's for professional stuff, meeting someone new, online groups.
It seems like WhatsApp has, perhaps, finally decided to address this critical need, as the article puts it.
So what does this revolution actually look like?
Well, according to the piece, it's moving towards something we see elsewhere.
Like Instagram or Telegram?
Precisely. You'd pick a unique username. The article gives examples like @techlover or @scientistana.
Okay, so a handle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the key thing is you can then connect just using that username.
Meaning you wouldn't have to share your phone number anymore, especially with people you don't know well.
That seems to be the core idea. Let's dig into the advantages the source lists.
Privacy has to be top, right? Enhanced privacy.
Absolutely. It directly tackles that forced number sharing we talked about.
It's a fundamental change in how you identify yourself on the platform. Really significant.
Yeah, it really is. But it's not just about hiding your number, is it?
No, the article also points to easier communication.
Ah, right. Like connecting with someone new, maybe professionally.
Or from some online thing, yeah. Instead of that fiddly process of exchanging numbers, saving them.
Waiting for sync.
Yeah.
You just share the username.
And connect instantly. Much smoother.
And less spam potential too, I guess.
That's another big one the source mentions, if your number isn't out there as much.
Fewer random messages and calls hitting your WhatsApp. Makes sense.
Definitely a practical plus.
The article also touches on a professional angle.
Yeah, it suggests using a username can feel a bit cleaner, maybe more professional.
Especially for business use
Yeah.
or in bigger networks where you don't know everyone personally.
Right, it sort of compartmentalizes things a bit better.
Okay, so zooming out a bit, what does the source say this means for WhatsApp itself?
It frames it as really strengthening WhatsApp's position.
Especially now, with users being much more aware of privacy.
Exactly. They call this feature a significant threshold.
Transforming it from just a phone number messenger.
Into something more comprehensive, a more secure platform overall.
So it's not just a small feature update then.
Not at all. The source sees it as bringing real practicality and security right to you, the user.
Letting you manage your online presence more consciously.
Yeah, choosing how you connect. It's adapting, really.
It sounds subtle maybe, but moving away from that total phone number dependence is, well, it's a big deal.
It truly is. It changes the fundamentals.
So thinking about this move towards usernames for easier, maybe more private connections.
It does make you wonder, doesn't it?
What's next? What other parts of our digital identity, things usually tied to real-world stuff like phone numbers, might start to evolve on these platforms?
That's a really interesting thought to leave people with. Where else could this lead?